Viewers, welcome to Green Leaves Farm Ghana. Today we are diving into okra production. Okra is one of the production that is very profitable and lucrative. Easy, but it's somehow easy and difficult to cultivate. In okra farming, the most important part is you harvest every 3 days. So with that one alone can even make you a successful okra farmer. Every 3 days. Yes. As a new farmer going to okra production, if you've not seek advice from your expert or your agronomist, you might end up choosing the wrong variety, which will make you lose or may not give you more yield. Okra, you can plant okra in a different season all year round, but for you to get the real money, you need to start in the dry season. And then not only the dry season, but you have to start from the rainy season to enter the dry. Yes, because when you wait for the dry season to come before you start, your cost of fuel will go up. So you need to start from actually maybe from November going or October. It might get some small rains before you enter the dry season. In getting off or in starting a farming business, you need to get land. So by getting the land, it might, maybe some places they rent the land maybe 300 cities, 400 cities, 700 cities. So you need to get your land before you start your production. So the overview of the cost, after getting the land, then you have to do slashing. You have to get laborers to slash for you, then you burn it. So after burning, you just proceed with your seed, either the local way or the hybrid one. Then you can start. I will recommend the hybrid one because in farming a lot of money have been pumped into it, so you need to get a variety that will make you harvest higher, not a variety that will harvest for a short period of time. Then it's good for every land, but not too marshy area. If there's a marshy area, you can even plant it during the dry season, but not in the rainy season. The rainy season, all the cost of producing 1 acre okra, from getting of land to machine and then fertilizer, labor and those things. So let's just take it that yes, at my side is 600 Ghana cedis. Then you get your pumping machine. The pumping machine, we have two types. We have petrol and diesel. And then the diesel, sometimes it costs, let's say, 8,000 and 7,000. Petrol, you can get 4,500 and 5,000. Yes. So after that, you get your intake, which will cost you maybe 1 yard, maybe 50 cedis. So you have to buy like 5 yards. Then after that, you have to get your outlet. So the outlet, 50 bond is 500 cedis or 5.5. And then the 100 yards is 1,300 or 1,200. Yes. So after that, you are good to go. Then you purchase your seed. Maybe the hybrid can even cost you for 1 can around 250 Ghana cedis. Yes. And then in 1 acre, you have to buy like 7 cans for you to start that production. And then you buy fertilizer, NPK 50-15. And then that one also costs you around 450 Ghana cedis per one. You get a full fertilizer like Super Grow. That one will also cost you like 1,000 Ghana cedis for 5 liters. And then you get your pesticide. That one also can cost you like 50 cedis or 70 cedis per one. And then you get your calcium fertilizers. That one can also cost you 80 cedis per one. Then you get your potassium, and then 1 liter. That one can also cost you 60 cedis per one. So with all this, when we calculate or we total together, you might end up going around 10,000 plus. So in cultivating 1 acre, you can hold like 150. After that, by 4 days time, you see your germination. It depends on the area you are. It's either the dry season or the rainy season. If it's in the dry season, then you need to do what? You need to water for it to come well. If it's in the rainy season, then you have to wait for its germination. So after 1 week, you see your plants standing very well. Then you start your pesticide application mixed with any kind of foliar fertilizer to control pests and disease on the plant. Spray 7 days after, then you spray again with the seed mixed with super grow or any other foliar fertilizer. Yaravita is there, Ajinkwa is there, Harvest More is there, any fertilizer you want, then you mix it with it. By 2 months, by 2 months time, you see that your plants start to produce fruits. Then you can start passing through to harvest. There, you just expect normal, I mean, like a bowl, let's say, because at the first place they will not come plenty. That's the first time they will not come plenty. The second one, they will not come plenty. From the third going, that means a majority of the plants start to produce. So from the third going, then you can start harvesting small, higher. Marketing is good. You get your market before you start any kind of production. So for me per se, I normally do my market through the market women's at the various markets, and then through social media like my platforms. I market myself, and my WhatsApp, I market myself through all these platforms to connect with people. Of the harvest, you should expect something higher, around, I mean, let's take it back, around 7 bags, 8 bags, 9 bags going. Yes, I mean, from that time, all majority of them are producing. It is 300 cities. Yes, but at the farm gate is 250. Okay. Yes, so yeah, a bag costs around 1,200, 1,300 now. 15,000. Yeah. Okay, so that 15,000, even in starting the project, the whole project, I'm not sure that 15,000 was finished before the plant will even start producing. Because like I said, Okro like any kind of land preparation. You can do slash and burn. If you don't want to waste money, you can do slash and burn. So you started harvesting, and then you meet the price. You can make money times 2. Yes, for your profit. Because let's take it example. This time around is 1,200 and 1,300, and then every 3 days you harvest. 3 days you harvest like 5 bags, and then the next 3 days you harvest like 6 bags. Because every day it increases. Because every day the plants that are not producing, they are producing again. So by the end of the harvest, you make more than that 15,000. It's one of the production that it doesn't stress, it doesn't waste money. All you need to do is to get your pesticide and your machine, your fuel. And every 7 days you spray your pesticide. It doesn't require much, unlike tomatoes and then sweet pepper and then cabbage. Per se, there's no Fulani people there, but I don't know your place. Yes, I don't know how your place may be. So there are a lot of hidden secrets. There are a very lot of hidden secrets that they will not tell you. Actually, in the production as general, there's a hidden secret that they don't tell you. You see, before you start a project, the one hidden secret is you have to seek for experts. You have to seek for agronomic advice. When you seek for experts, expert can make you a successful businessman. That secret alone, people don't say it. They just watch the video on YouTube, then they will just implement it. You will start on the way. You can't continue, and you get a lot of problems. Then when you get a problem, now that you'll be calling to sort things out. No, it doesn't work like that. So you need to seek your expert advice, then follow the agronomic advice, so that you can be a successful businessman in Okro farming. For my viewers, is that don't sit there or don't be in your office and say there's no money. You know, in farming, there is money in farming than any kind of job. There is money in farming than any kind of job, because when you put in the seed on the ground, it will take you a while, but when you start harvesting, a day you can make a billions of money that somebody sitting in the office cannot even make it. You see, so my advice is that we should all try and make agribusiness attractive. I mean, the lands are there. Ghana, we have a land that we can make use of it to farm, to get money, to feed ourselves and feed our country, Ghana. This kind of content, just subscribe to the channel, Green Leaves Farm Ghana. And then on Green Leaves Farm Ghana, on TikTok, we have Farm with Ghana. I mean, just subscribe, especially the YouTube. Just subscribe to the YouTube channel. Anytime we upload the video, you can also hear it and learn something out of it. But don't forget to comment. Your comments are very important. Yeah, subscribe and like the video. Thank you for listening to us, and
thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.